Facebook's ad policies. Facebook has strict policies regarding the content of its ads. Make sure to review these policies and ensure that your ad content complies with them. Violating Facebook's ad policies can result in your ad being disapproved or your account being suspended. Set a realistic budget. Facebook ads are not free, and it's important to set a realistic budget for your ad campaigns. Determine how much you are willing to spend and monitor your ad spend closely. Use Facebook's ad analytics to track your spending and adjust your budget as needed. Monitor your ad performance. Monitoring your ad performance is essential to ensure that your ads are driving results. Use Facebook's ad analytics to track metrics such as clicks, conversions, and cost per click. Use this data to make data-driven decisions and optimize your ad content and targeting. Keep your ads fresh. Facebook users are bombarded with ads every day, and it's important to keep your ads fresh and engaging to stand out. Rotate your ad content regularly and test different ad formats, copy, and visuals to keep your ads interesting and relevant. Use ad scheduling. Facebook's ad scheduling feature allows you to show your ads at specific times of the day or week. Use this feature to ensure that your ads are shown when your target audience is most active on Facebook. This can help improve the effectiveness of your ads and increase your ROI. Use social proof. Social proof is a powerful tool that can help increase the credibility and trustworthiness of your ads. Include customer reviews, testimonials, or social media mentions in your ads to showcase the positive experiences of your customers. This can help persuade users to take action and engage with your brand. Optimize your landing page. Your landing page is where users will be directed after clicking on your ad. Make sure your landing page is optimized for conversions and provides a seamless user experience. Use clear and concise copy, high-quality visuals, and a strong call to action to encourage users to take action. Consider different ad placements. Facebook offers several ad placements, including newsfeed ads, sidebar ads, and Instagram ads. Consider which ad placement is most appropriate for your objectives and ad content. For example, if you want to showcase visually appealing content, Instagram ads may be the best option. Use dynamic ads. Dynamic ads are a type of Facebook ad that allows you to show personalized content to users based on their browsing history, behavior, and interests. Use dynamic ads to show users products or services that they are more likely to be interested in. This can help improve the effectiveness of your ads and increase your ROI. Use video ads. Video ads are a highly engaging and effective way to showcase your brand and products. Use high-quality video content to showcase your products or services and tell your brand story. Use clear and concise messaging and a strong call to action to encourage users to take action. Be creative. Finally, don't be afraid to be creative with your Facebook ads.